friends, welcome to Cookgramam Samayal. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make crispy corn chaat. Let's get into the video. We need boiled corn, maida, corn flour, rice flour, chilli powder, cumin powder, black pepper, onion, coriander leaves, curry leaves, chaat masala, salt to taste and lemon. Take a bowl, add boiled corn, maida, corn flour and rice flour. To this we'll add spices, chilli powder, cumin powder and pepper powder and mix well. Now you add salt and curry leaves to it. Take a little amount of water and sprinkle it and make sure that all the flour gets blended and coated onto the corn. Now place a pan, pour oil and fry all our crispy corns. Fry them until they turn golden brown color. Now our crispy corn is ready. So let's start making chaat. Now to that corn we'll add onion, green chilli, coriander, chaat masala and lemon juice. That's all. Our yummy healthy evening snack is ready. Please do like the channel, subscribe and share it among your friends. For more such videos, please click the notification bell, and I have given all the details of the measurement in the description below. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. See you in another video. Bye bye.